Hey ladies, welcome back to my channel. We are back with another wig install, and today's wig is a half wig from Cheetahbeauty human hair or Cheetahbeauty hair, whatever. So anyways, this is a 1B natural black kinky curly, they're calling it a 3-in-1 half wig. It comes with the flexi drawstring. I have it in 18 inches and it is 180% density, and she is 100% human hair. Now I did a review on a half wig not too long ago, and I mentioned to you guys that it's really important to find a curl pattern that matches yours without you having to manipulate your hair too much, because that's literally the whole point. So in regards to this particular half wig from Cheetahbeauty hair, I realized that the curls are a lot tighter, so it's more of like a coily kinky curly, and it matches my hair texture very well. So of course I'm just going to give you guys the unboxing, which we already passed. This is the inside of the wig cap. Again, it comes with the drawstring, and this is really easy to follow, you guys, so just watch what I'm doing and I'll be back in a few. So before you install this wig, I highly recommend co-washing it or running your fingers through it like myself, because obviously I did not wash it. I took it straight out the box so I can record it for you guys. The reason why I'm combing through the wig is because my natural curl pattern isn't as tight. You guys realize when you get like kinky curly or coily kinky or whatever, that the curls are just so put together. You kind of have to like shake it out, stretch it out a little bit so that it looks a lot more natural. That's pretty much what I was doing. My hair is already in a flat twist because I had a half wig on earlier, so I just put the wig on. I made use of those combs and the drawstring, of course, and then I took my natural hair out to blend it. If you guys notice any white spots near my edges, that's just edge control from earlier, so just ignore that. By the time we got to the outro, it was already gone. Okay, you guys, we are done with this wig install. I guess you can still say it's a half wig, so it's still technically a wig. That was real quick, real simple. Again, this particular curl pattern matches my natural hair so much better. The hair is just a tad bit darker than my natural hair, but I've seen worse, so it's really not too bad. I was able to make it work. It looks really nice. I was really happy with it. Now, as you guys saw in the earlier clips, I did go ahead and just cut off some of those stringy pieces at the end end because I did finger detangle the hair, so those stringy pieces were showing out, so I had to get rid of those. The only thing I would have wished is that this was just a little bit longer, and I know a lot of times with like kinky curly and coily kinky hair, it's a little hard to get the length that you want because the curls are so tight. So I would definitely love this in a longer length. But as always, you guys check out the description box down below. Thank you so much for tuning in. I will see you next time.